Today, guys, I'm partaking in Jill Norwood's Saturday Morning Makes. I'm going to be sharing with you two cards that me and my Stampin' Up friends got together last night, and we put together some cards out of one of Stampin' Up card kits. So Wanda Smith is the lady who got me started with making cards through Stampin' Up. She also has a YouTube channel called Wanda Smith Stamping All Night Long. So go ahead and check her out. So we got together last night by her house and we put together one of those kits. So if you're interested in seeing the cards that I put together, please do stay tuned. Welcome, guys. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Wanda with Miss Puff Creative Corner. So let's jump into the project that we created last night. We had a great time. So Stampin' Up have a slew of kits to choose from. So if you want to check out their other kits, go over to stampinup.com kits. And they even have Christmas kits if you want to start getting your Christmas cards together. So they have this particular kit comes with all their kits come with everything you need to create the projects that's in that kit. So this particular kit, you're able to make 8 cards. They have 2 different designs, and it comes with a photopalmer stamp as well as the ink spot. They even have glue dots and the dimensional to create these kits. Everything is come cut for you, scored. You just put it together and you stamp your images. You could use their design because it comes with instructions on how to put together, or you could alternate it and create your own designs. So you always have that photopalmer stamp set as well as the ink spot to continue to create. So let's go ahead and show you the cards that we created last night. So this is the one card here that we created, and this kit is for birthday, and isn't that colorful and beautiful? We put these together, so these are 2 layers here, and then you have dimensionals in between that to pop that up, and underneath this top layer is those shimmery paper where you create the candles. And I'm not sure if you could see that shimmery look in the inside of the candles. And then they came with those gems that we pop on there, the fire for the candles. So it says hip hip hooray, today's your day. So we stamp that and pop that up with some dimensional on top of that blue strip of cardstock there. And then the confetti on top of the base of the card. This is just a gorgeous card, easy to put together. And we had so much fun as a group putting these together. You know, you just put these together and you talk. And in the inside, stamp happy birthday. So you could dress this up as much as you would like to as well. Add different layers in the inside if you choose to. As I say, you could keep to the instructions how it comes in a kit, or you could put your own spin on these cards. And these come with the envelope. So let me show you the envelope that goes with that one. So look at the envelope here. So you have that inside look like it's layered with the confetti in the inside. And you could stamp images too here on your envelope if you choose to. So that's that right there. And then, so if you're new to my channel and you like what you see here today, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. So now this is another card right here. Isn't that beautiful? So this one here is a cake, and you have the candle on top of the cake and the inside. So we pop this up. There's 2 layers on this card front too as well. We pop that up on some dimensional. And the inside layer of that cake is shimmery, if you could see it. And we add that gem to the top of the candle. We stamp happy birthday in the circle. You have that little blue tag to the back of it. These colors are just gorgeous. And then it says happy birthday to you, and the inside has hip hip hooray. Then the envelope for this one, look at this one. Isn't that beautiful with the stripes in the inside like it's lined? And see, the front is plain. Again, you could stamp on those. So that goes with that one. Then we have this. So those are the 2 cards that we got together and created. So it's always nice to get together with some friends. So I'm sharing with you that that's my projects for the Saturday morning makes. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.